Welcome back. In this class, you will learn how to send a document as an email attachment. Email is a common communication method for personal and professional interactions. It uses the internet to transmit information and facilitates conversations. If you want to send emails, learning more about what they are and the basic steps can be helpful. This lesson explains and provides a step-by-step guide for sending an attachment. To send an email attachment, you can use any email account to do so. Follow the following steps. 1. On your device, go to the email provider like Gmail or Yahoo as I previously stated. 2. Click on Compose. 3. At the bottom, click Attach. 4. Choose the files you want to upload. 5. Click Open. 6. Attach it to the body of the mail. 7. After attaching a document, click Send. The icons to look out for are displayed on your screen. Let me give you a tip. You can add an image by dragging it directly into the Compose window. With this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.